Hey guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today I introduce you to this new project we have here. It's called TinkR. So this is a kit you can find on Amazon. So it has a lot of projects. As you can see, it's written 50 plus hours of project here. So you have 20 plus different projects, and we try to make them, from time to time. Yeah, that's how it goes. Let me open it for you. This is the type of things we can find in it. You can make different projects with it. So you can take a look here. You got centrifugers, you got an hovercraft, you got a color mixer, you can make a brake, and a boat, and a couple of different things. And it has different materials in it. And today we try to make an hovercraft. So I try to take what I need, because you just try to not get overwhelmed by all these things and try to get straight to the point. So this is foam, and here is with an hovercraft. So to get that one, so we have a project more or less pre-assigned. So I get that hovercraft, and from hovercraft we need to take a look at one of those, and we need a balloon. We need a balloon, so we can pick, let's pick, it's sunny today, so let me pick yellow. So that we may need a rubber band. Yeah, balloon here, up, rubber band. I explain you why. Alright. Rubber band, the balloon. Yeah guys, you can take a look at that, and you see we have a lot of things, really a lot of things. Alright, that's saying the balloon, rubber band. We need this too. That's the foam. Alright, let me put that back, so try to not put everything everywhere. Alright, let's put that aside. Oh, I forgot this. Let me put it back. So everything is in order. Alright. And from there, in here we need a little plastic tube. I don't know if you can see it. We take that one. Alright, I picked that just right here. Put that aside. And that's all we're gonna need. It's a pretty simple project. That kit is not too expensive. I think you can have it for less than $50, something like this. Yeah. So it's really not expensive. So you can get it and play with your kids at home. Yeah. Alright. Now we have everything now. Try to close the box and get started. Try to close the box and get started. Alright, let me put that aside. Alright guys, this is what we have here. Those are the 4 elements that we need. Those are the 4 elements we need. So pretty much nothing, guys. Alright, there we go. Take a look at them. There we go. Not much, but let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do is take this little plastic here and make it go through this. Alright guys, so you understand the concept. From now on, make it go through the middle enough, and now on we put a rubber band there. Okay, maybe just do it this way. Alright, see what we do first time doing this project. Take it, to put it here guys, and we get the rubber band, and we go like this. Try to have it in the middle. Alright. Try to do it as tight as we can, so air does not leave when we think we're good now, guys. I think we are. We're good. Hope so. Okay. Try to make the last loop. Alright, that's what it looks like. So now I make it go through it like this. And now you see, guys, what's going to happen, guys. I'm going to blow the balloon, and we're gonna have our own hovercraft. Let's get started. Let's try that, guys. Yeah, it's not that really smooth, but it's supposed to be moving like this. Yeah, it's not that smooth, but oh, there you go. Okay, I got a principle now. All right, let's try another time. So this time it will be smoother. Yeah, it's not that smooth. All right. Alright, guys, it's moving, guys, it's moving, guys, it's moving. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys, it's finished. That was it. It was pretty quick, but it's a fun project, and it's pretty quick to be done. Alright, guys, so I thank you very much. Thanks for your help. Thanks for watching, of course. Please like the video, guys. That helps a lot. And subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment. That will help a lot, you know, from the YouTube algorithm. Alright, see you for another video. Alright, bye bye.